let's get straight into it. Filecoin against BTC. Okay, so for Filecoin, okay, I mean, if you look at the past week and this week, everything is green. So it might feel like every coin is going up, but not every coin is going up. Yes, the total, if let's say you look at total tree, right? This is altcoins minus Ethereum minus Bitcoin. Yes, it feels like things are rising, but not everything is rising. Only selected coins are rising. So how would you know if a coin is actually strong or weak? Just look at the BTC pair. So Filecoin is a very good example. Is Filecoin a solid coin? Yeah, it's a solid coin. Do you think Filecoin will see a strong rally in the near future? Yeah, of course, for sure. But the thing about Filecoin is we're still under the skinny pink line, which means that more likely than not, we could be going sideways for a little while. Sure, you could see small rallies here and there, right? Today, I don't know if we're going to be closing with a shooting star over here, but Filecoin is still relatively weak. At this point of time, it's still relatively weak. I still don't see any clear signs of a bullish reversal yet, right? So if you see the bearish trend previously in 2018, we go sideways for a while before going back up, right? So we still have to go sideways before going back up. So we still have a few more months of sideways in the making. So don't worry about it if you think you missed out on any coin, because it's still very early, right? But it's very important for the next few months, right? 3-4 months. Yeah, I need to get it right because the opportunity will present itself when the retracement comes. Do not short anything. Wait for the retracement. It will come. And after that, yeah, we'll make a move for it, right? Filecoin. So the thing about the bull run is that you want to wait for the sign to appear first. So the sign has already appeared, right? Number one. Step two is you have to wait patiently for a retrace, which means that it is confirmed that we are going to switch long, but we need a pullback first. A pullback, a retracement, and then we make a move. Because the thing is, we do not know how low the pullback is going to be, right? Whether it's going to be a huge pullback or it's going to be a short pullback. Right, but still, you have to wait for a pullback first before making any moves. Filecoin against USD. Okay, for Filecoin, we haven't moved yet. We're still under the skinny pink line, which means that the trend is still bearish. Right, so for Filecoin USD, okay, it has been going sideways. So if anything, I think the USD pair will be the first to make a move. So the party for Filecoin is on the USD pair. So if anything, we are still in time for Filecoin. It has not made a move yet. It is still under $5, right? It's still single digit. I still feel that anything under $10 is good. So $5, $4.50. We're still hitting the skinny pink line. We're slightly overbought. The last time we got into overbought territory was around here. Sure, there was a zip up, double overbought. And then what happened? Very deep retrace that came in. Again, we're already overbought. Still, I think that we should be waiting for a retracement first before making any moves, right? Well, of course, sure, we could see a zip back up. Still, we have to wait for a retracement, right? Let's say, for example, replay. Let's go back to here, right? Let's say you go back to this place in February. You might feel compelled to go into a trade for Filecoin, right? We're above the skinny pink line. The trend could be switching bullish. We could get a right shoulder over here. This whole thing could become an inverse head and shoulders, right? But we're not too sure. We still need to wait for the retrace. So that's why we need to know whether if this is going to be a small retrace and then it starts going back up, or this is going to be a very deep type of a retrace before curving back up, right? So eventually, yeah, that was what we got, right? We got quite a deep retrace that came. You see that? If we had a right shoulder over here, oh, this would be so sweet. And Filecoin could be blasting off, but we didn't, right? We got pulled all the way back down, almost taking out these lows, but we didn't, right? And we formed mountains as well over here. So we're like, oh my God, are we going to hit lower? Nope. Eventually, we rose higher, right? And we hit the skinny pink line. So I think more likely than not, Filecoin could be heading higher. But the thing is, again, we still have to wait for a retrace, right? Breakout will be great. Retrace, that's it. We make a move, pump. So as a trader, you want to make the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time with the smallest risk possible. So what this means is you want to trade volatile moves like this, right? So, of course, you could be holding coins for some time, right? It could be going sideways. I mean, from a bigger perspective, right? We could be, you could be making a move over here. Let's say $6. You make a move in June 2022, right? But the move only comes in 2024, right? Let's say January 2024, only the move comes. and you'll be holding all the way to 2024. So that's why it'll be wise to wait for the correct timing first. Try to catch the move before that volatile craziness comes in, right? So we still expect a volatile move to come in for Filecoin, but I think that it'll still be wiser to wait for a retrace. If you're itching to make a move for Filecoin, again, you can make a move now if you want to, but yeah, I'm going to be waiting. I will be waiting for a retracement first. But kind of like Filecoin though. I think Filecoin is about to blast off really, really spectacularly into double digits again. Right, very likely we're gonna go to more likely than not 133. Yeah, but 100 over, right? From single digits to double digits to triple digits. I'm not so sure if this is 100x. Okay, it's a 29x. It's a 29x, right? 2000%. It's quite a lot. So again, we'll take things one step at a time, right? We will come back to Filecoin eventually, for sure, because it's a top 50.